Hi, my name is Kelly White, and I'm going to be singing Unfaithful by Rihanna. Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems that wrong really loves my company. He's more than a man, and this is more than love. The reason that the sky is blue, the clouds are rolling in because I'm gone again, and to him I just can't be true. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I can say I'm dying, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be the reason why every time I walk out the door I see him die a little more inside. I don't want to hurt him anymore. I don't want to take away his life. I don't want to be a murderer. I feel it in the air as I'm doing my hair, preparing for another date. A kiss up on my cheek as he reluctantly asks if I'm gonna be